Let's solve the final problem from perspective projection. It is a problem of a cone. We are just solving this problem to understand how we can solve object with some curved shapes or curved boundary using perspective projection techniques. Usually this kind of problems won't be there for your examination because they usually ask you to draw the perspective of a prism or a pyramid. So cylinder and cone, the chances of cylinder or cone is very rare compared to the prisms and pyramids. Anyway, let's solve this problem. Let's go through the question first. A cone of base diameter 30 mm and axis height 35 is kept with its base on the ground plane with its axis 15 mm behind the picture plane. The station point is 30 mm in front of the picture plane, 20 mm to the left of the axis of the cone, and 40 mm above the ground plane. Draw the perspective of the cone. Here object is a cone, so its top view is a circle and front view is a triangle with the dimension 35 by 30. 30 is the axis, and it is given that the axis is 15 mm behind the picture plane, which means if you are taking 15 half of the diameter, so the center is 15 mm, which means one point is touching on the picture plane, and the station point is given, it is 30 mm in front of the picture plane, 20 mm towards the left side, which means you have to draw the circle on the right side. So you know the steps. First we are drawing PPP line, then we are drawing a circle. Since it is a cone, it is better to divide the circle into 8 equal parts in top view and mark the points and apex O. Let's draw the PPP line and then the plan of the object or top view, that is circle. After drawing this PPP line and the circle, you have to mark the points. You can mark 8 points and plus 1 apex. These are the points A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, 8 points on the base, and O is the apex. Let's mark the dimensions. Now you can draw the EGP line to draw the front view. Front view is a triangle. Just assume some distance from point G, then you can draw EGP line like this. So that is EGP line. Draw the projection lines to get the plan. Take the axis height as 35 mm. It's 35. After drawing the front view, you have to mark all the points in the front view. So you got the front view and top view of the cone. Now you have to mark the center plane. It is given that the center plane is 20 mm towards the left of the axis of the cone. So you can take 20 mm from the axis of the cone, draw a straight line, vertical line perpendicular to EGP and PPP line, that is the center plane, and it is given that the station point is 40 mm. Point is 40 mm above ground plane VGP and 35 mm in front of 30 mm in front of picture plane. So this point is S dash and this one is small letter s. You can name them. This one is S dash, and next this one is S. So after marking S dash and S, you can draw visual rays in top view and front view. First draw visual rays in top view. Point C is already on the picture planes. Actually you don't have to draw that visual ray. Draw the visual rays like this. They are very light. Now you can draw the visual rays in front view. Now we have to draw projection lines from the intersection point of visual ray in top view. I'm just going to draw the projection lines from here. So this is A, intersection of A to the front view. Okay, that is capital A. Then from point H, this point H, B, B, C is already there. O, O, F, F, E, E, D, D, so you got all the points. This is common point C. You got all the points here. Now you have to draw a freehand curve in the bottom surface. Then you can draw two tangent lines. After drawing this projection lines, you have to mark capital letters here to draw the perspective. See, this is a curve, so we have to draw polyline connecting these points. to draw the curve like this. Draw tangent lines connecting O and the curve. And you have to draw dotted lines connecting this point to this much. So this is the perspective of a cone. I hope you understand this. Thank you.